On the 24th of January 2022, Western Cape High Court approved Steinhoff's proposal for global settlement. The settlement aims to pay out claimants who lost billions when the company lost its value as a result of accounting irregularities. Steinhoff share price was trading around 55 Rand in early December 2017, and in April 2018, a mere 5 months later, it was worth a little over 1 Rand, a far cry from what the share was worth 2 years earlier, as Steinhoff's share price peaked at around 96 Rand in April 2016, on the day the global settlement was approved by the court in South Africa. Steinhoff's share price was trading at around 4.70 on the JSE.
We think the recovery rate will be in the region of 12.8%. South African market purchase claimants in the region of 14.8%. What's excluded from those numbers, important to remember, excluded from those numbers will be the recoveries that Deloitte and the D&O insurers will submit or contribute on top of that. The contractual claimants will have a slightly higher recovery rate. They're in the region of about 28-29%. And these are what I refer to as the market purchase claims.
Contractual claimants are large investors who entered into a contractual arrangement to purchase Steinhoff shares as part of their business or assets. Public Investment Corporation, PIC, is one such contractual claimant. PIC held 8.56% of Steinhoff shares on behalf of its clients, which include Government Employees Pension Fund. Prior to the free falling of the share, this was worth around 20 billion, and after the free falling of the share, over 90% of that value was wiped off.
The PIC's statement that it accepts the global settlement of Steinhoff of about 500 million Rand cash and about 29.5 million Pepco shares is an encouraging step in the direction of Steinhoff resuming business without ever having to deal with the claims relating to its fall regarding in relation to the accounting irregularities. However, this amount that the global settlement amounts to is basically a drop in the ocean.
Meanwhile, there are still no arrests regarding South Africa's biggest corporate fraud scandal. On the 4th of March last year, German prosecutors announced that 3 former Steinhoff executives had been charged with balance sheet fraud. Former Steinhoff CEO Markus Jooste was one of those charged. However, Jooste is yet to be charged for any wrongdoing in South Africa. In December 2017, Jooste resigned after auditors flagged massive accounting irregularities in the company's books. Claims continue to be submitted, and according to Steinhoff CEO, one of the requirements to qualify as a claimant is that one had to be a shareholder as of 6 December 2017. The full details for those who want to submit claims can be found on Steinhoff's settlement website, www.steinhoffsettlement.com. Velemseni Mtiane, SABC News.